This is Jim Schwab. I'm manager of the APA Hazards Planning Research Center. We're here at the APA Conference 2011 in Boston at the booth of the Firewise Communities program, where I'm interviewing Michele Steinberg, who is the coordinator of the Firewise Communities program for the National Fire Protection Association, which we've had an ongoing relationship with them for most of the last 10 years at least, on programs like the Planning for Wildfires PAS report and an assessment of the Firewise Communities training program. Welcome, Michele.
Thank you.
Michele, could you tell us something about how you actually work with individual communities through the Firewise Communities program, and what it is about your program that helps those communities become more resilient in the face of wildfire disasters?
Sure, Jim. Basically, the Firewise Communities program is about teaching people how to live with nature more compatibly. And so we reach out to communities directly through our website. We also reach out to them through state government forestry groups, for the most part, with all these tools and resources. So it's science-based. We have a lot of good fire science on how wildfires behave and actually what happens when homes ignite. And that's very, very important for homeowners to understand, because what it tells them is there is something they can do to the home and to the immediate area surrounding it that will actually reduce the risk to them of losing the home in a wildfire event. So that's basically Firewise Communities in a nutshell.
Do you have some good examples of success stories that you can share with people?
Sure. We have a great program called Firewise Communities USA, and that's a national recognition. What is involved is neighborhoods go through a process of getting their risk assessed, usually by state forestry or other firefighters. They get the risk assessed, and they create a plan to put together actions that will help reduce their risk. So we've got nearly 700 of those neighborhoods in 41 states in the U.S. that have become their own success story, mitigating the risks. Some of them have been tested by fire, where they can show that the work that they've done has reduced the fire impacts on their communities. So.
Great. Thank you very much, Michele.
You're welcome.